Hello once again, everyone. Welcome to Virginia Rider Magazine. I'm your host, Mark Ritchie, and today we're going to feature a special fall edition of Bluegrass Valley Road. This is some of the most stunning scenery in the area. It's unique and it will leave a lasting impression on just about every rider. So thanks for watching this special edition of Bluegrass Valley Road on Virginia Rider Magazine. Cheers. Well, welcome back, boys and girls. It is a beautifully crystal clear, crisp fall day in Highland County. I couldn't think of a more beautiful day to showcase this amazing road. It's 46 as we approach our turn on 640 Bluegrass Valley Road. And right out of the gate, wow! It is just a tidal wave of color. I hope the camera is picking this up. The first generation GoPro is on its highest resolution of 1080p. Wow, and that's Snowy Mountain in the distance. This is a bit of a redo. We videoed this road a few months ago back in the summer. It was an overcast day. I kind of always had it in the back of my mind that I would do this on a fall day near peak just because it's so spectacular. Like I alluded to in the prior video, one of the things about this road, one of the characteristics is that you're in and out of the views. You're in canopies of trees and then you're in these wide open spaces on the open road in the highway gear, what I like to call my second home. Not just because I like being there, but it's kind of where I belong. Just gonna let the camera eat for a minute. It is a Sunday, and Highland County's having their Hands and Harvest Festival. And when I did the intro, there were several cars on 250, which ordinarily wouldn't be the case. But even with all the activities going on, you'll note the traffic. As some of you may well know, when Rose and I lived in Northern Virginia, we were just about on Skyline Drive and the Blue Ridge Parkway exclusively. And I guarantee you, as we speak, there's at least an hour wait at the entrance station in Front Royal and Thornton Gap. And that just kind of, as spectacular as it is being there and seeing the views, the crowds just kind of ruined the flavor for me. Took kind of some of the fun out of it. But here, while the views may not be as spectacular, but they're uniquely beautiful in their own right. And just being able to experience it all to ourselves it just makes the experience that much more enjoyable. So I hope everybody gets a chance. Watch out, squirrel. to get out here before the leaves are gone, because I think you too will have a very enjoyable experience just being on the other side of the planet, almost, without the box stores and the traffic lights and fast food restaurants and shopping malls. Hey, we have traffic. Just spectacular. And this little section of woods is where I'll encounter deer a lot of times, just after that road on the left. Hopefully the hunters, well, it's Sunday, so maybe they'll be bedded down. I've kind of angled the camera a little bit more to the left, so hopefully it's picking up Lance Mountain. And we've emerged once again. The stream that we're following is the South Branch Potomac River, whose source was right near the intersection of 250 and where we turned on 640. And that will find its way all the way to Chesapeake Bay. And look at this, just a canopy of gold. And this, if you go straight at the light, will end up on Route 220, a few miles north of Monterey. So it's a nice loop for anybody in the area. You know, a lot of people, when they ride to Spruce Knob and Seneca Rocks, this might not be on their I know that gravel's there. I don't know why that surprised me. They were in the shadows. Smile, you're on candid camera. But again, I hope everybody gets out here. And if you'll notice, we're heading pretty much north, so the sun's behind us, which just makes for a perfect setting. So when you do the loop, I mean, either way is going to be spectacular. It's just a preference thing. So as we approach the town of Bluegrass, there's the Bluegrass Mercantile, which is a historic country store, like original hardwood floors, that type of thing. And they have a kitchen, so they'll make made-to-order sandwiches. They even have pizza. So Rose and I will go in there and get a couple sandwiches and take it up to Ruddle Park north of Franklin, or take it to the park in Franklin and do a little picnic. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. It's certainly been a lot of fun to film. I always like riding here. I never get tired of it. And at the risk of sounding like a broken record, I hope everybody gets a chance to come out here. If you haven't already, hop on over to virginiawriter.com and sign up for your free digital monthly subscription of Virginia Writer magazine, packed full of news, information, events, and features. I think Rose and I did Sulphur Spring Road and Clifton Forge as our great places to ride story. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Thanks in advance for all the likes, comments, shares, and subscribes. And we look forward to seeing you on the next one. So, thank you for watching Virginia Rider Magazine. Cheers.